In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Elevenlabs API key. This is a crucial skill that can enhance your integration with Elevenlabs services, especially if you're looking to leverage their powerful text-to-speech capabilities in your projects. So let's dive right in and learn how to create and manage your API key step by step. First things first, you'll need to create an account or log in to Elevenlabs. Navigate to their main page, and here you'll find the option to either log in if you already have an account or sign up if you're new. It's important to choose a strong password to ensure your account stays secure. Once you're logged in, you'll see several options on the dashboard. Look for the Developers section. This is where you'll manage your API keys and any developer resources related to Elevenlabs. Click on Developers, and you'll be taken to a page that outlines all the developer resources at your disposal. Next, locate and click on API keys. This section is specifically dedicated to managing your API keys. Here you can create new keys, manage existing ones, and configure various settings to tailor them to your needs. Now, to create a new API key, find and select the option Create Key. It's a straightforward process, but one that requires you to enter a descriptive name for your key. Choosing a descriptive name is crucial as it helps you remember the purpose of the API key later, especially when you have multiple projects or integrations. Along with naming your API key, you have the option to set specific security restrictions. These optional settings might include limiting the features that key can access or capping the monthly credit usage. These restrictions can be particularly useful if you're running a shared environment or want to control how the API is used within larger teams. Once you're satisfied with the settings and descriptions, go ahead and click Create. It's an important moment because your full API key will only be shown once immediately after creation. Make sure to copy this key immediately and store it in a safe and secure place, such as a password manager, since you won't have access to the full key again. If you navigate away from the screen, you'll only be able to see the name and the last 4 characters of the key for reference. And that's it. You've successfully created and stored your Elevenlabs API key. Remember, managing and safeguarding your API keys is an ongoing process. Always review your API usage and update security settings as needed to protect your projects and data. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.